Hi, it's your office manager, Angie, and Dr. Dutch here to tell you what's going on at Pierce Clinic this week. So, Dr. Dutch, what's going on?
So Tuesday, August 22nd, our health restoration class is live here at Pierce Clinic at 6:30 p.m., hosted by Dr. Miller. This is a great opportunity to come in, learn more about what we do, and ask questions of the doctors. So invite your family, invite your friends. Look forward to seeing you at that event.
Yeah, and at the end of it, you get a certificate for a free exam. So if you know somebody that needs to get in here, get them to the class. You can sign up today by calling Dana or Kay at the front desk, and they will do that for you. So we wanted to get in today about low back pain. People sometimes wonder how an adjustment up in the neck region can affect your low back. But I'm here to tell you that it does, because I am one of those patients. I have herniations in my low back, and when my atlas or C1 vertebra is out of place, one of the first things to happen to me is that my low back pain will start to flare up. So Dr. Dutch, I'm going to hand the mic over. Tell them how AdvO care can affect low back.
So really briefly, our technique focuses right here at the very top of that upper neck, of that atlas bone, that C1 bone. And the reason why that bone is so important is because it does the majority of all of the movement of your neck, right? It also houses the brainstem, or upper neck area, the base of the brain. And what's so important about that is that the brainstem is responsible for a lot of different things. Outside of being the doorway from your brain to the rest of your body, it's also responsible for things like muscle tone and balance and coordination. When that bone is out of alignment, when there's an issue in that upper neck area, it pinches on that brainstem. It cuts it off a little bit. And what happens is it imbalances the muscle tone in your body. When things like that happen, you see changes in your body like posture, where shoulders pull up, hips pull up, things like that. And what we see in the office is when stuff like that starts to happen, it actually ends up pulling one leg shorter than the other. In fact, most of you who come in here know that one of the first things we check for your upper neck issue is your feet, right? What we find is that's because of that muscle tone pulling and causing a lot of those different problems, pinching areas in other places like your low back. What we do find is after that adjustment, we see that those legs balance back out. That muscle tone starts to release pretty immediately, which is why we have a tendency to see good success in low back pain patient cases.
Such as me. So I am so grateful. So if you know somebody that's suffering from low back pain, don't hesitate to get them here. Get them checked out. The best thing that they can do is find out that they do have hope. So don't steal that opportunity from them. Let them know. Well, aside from that, we do have our infused water of the week, which is going to be strawberry watermelon. So get in here, get your cup today. Outside of that, we just want to thank all of you. We love caring for you. We love restoring quality of life to each and every person that walks through our door. It is our greatest joy. And just remember, at Pierce Clinic, it's about a gentle adjustment with life-changing results. Thanks so much, and have a great week.